Alright, Bessie gang, so we're at Pop Shop working on the R3, installing the Vortex chain and sprocket kit. From what we did yesterday, we pulled the tire, got the new sprocket on there, torqued down to spec. This sprocket, chain and sprocket set is dropping 1 tooth front and rear, right?
Yeah.
Where was the OEM one? Yeah. So 45 and OEM was 43. So 2 in the rear and 1 in the front. Also, we will be pulling the baffle out of the full acro exhaust system. See how that sounds. And then adjusting a couple of the levers and stuff to make it more comfortable for pops at the track. Oh yeah. And then we're going to take a peek here at the rear shock. We have to knock the adjustment down. It's very stiff. We'll have to take a peek at that. Yeah, there isn't very much adjustments on there.
No, it's not. It does have castle on there and it does move, but
it's not very much.
No.
Alright, so to remove the baffle out of the acro exhaust system for the 21 R3, you have a security bolt. The Torx security bolt in that hole there, the size of that was a T25 Torx security bit to get that out. And once we got that out, simply grab some pliers, give a little wiggle, and pull. Baffles out. You got full unrestricted airflow coming out the exhaust. Luckily he was okay. Just hit it right back in the dirt.
Alright, this is the final lap. One more time around.
Yeah, that's what I'm touching right now. Trying to get it back on the guide. There we go.
take it out.
I just don't remember.
It goes in from this side, right?
Mm-hmm. It was just the bolt on this side, on that side, and then there was a washer in the nut right here. All right, go past it, put my foot under, roll it up on my foot. All the way. Okay. All right. All right. Oh wait, okay, pause. Pull it back a little bit. Right there. Bearing out. Okay. There you go.
Yes, it's on.
Oh, it's 'cause I'm not lining up the tire. One second. Okay, go. Alright.
You good?
Yeah. So much easier to remove than mine. Alright. Alright, now let's continue lacing. One second, pull it back a little bit. Alright.
You sure without a gear?
What'd you do?
Ooh, that's fucking close.
Yeah, it is. Chain lacing number 2.
Yellow rag.
Yellow buddy, where'd you go?
Oh, here it is.
My hand's so clean.
That's it?
Yep, that's him. Keep my hands clean today.
Tire's way far back right now.
I want to do this work on the top side, not on the bottom. I think it'll just be easier. Alright, let's have to do a little bit more practice with this. Just break some chains and fix some chains just on the workbench one day. Oh yeah. Press that front back one last time. See if that didn't work.
Hmm?
See what I mean? Mm-hmm. One second here. Ready? Yep. I'm tight. Just a little play. Fuck, man. You spin before I get there. Okay. You want to go for it. Right. Okay. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is just coming into play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is just coming into play. So we can tighten it up. Yeah. Alright, locked in. Okay, done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is just starting to show. So we went forward a line, right? Because there's 4 showing before, if I remember correctly, to the picture. But, so it went forward. I might have to say it's a millimeter. My phone. Relax a little quick sec. I'm just getting tight. 4 o'clock. Where you go? No, I have an hour. Screenshots to you. Front, rear wheel axle M16. 41 foot-pounds. I think I got that over 41. Yeah, that's real quick. Open up my baseball too.